All right, so today we're going to take a look at this Wurkkos tactical flashlight. So this is a high performance compact tactical flashlight, TD11 model, 3000 LMs, 320 meter beam, 48 hours and 23-minute runtime. Lightweight, let's check it out. This is a IPX6 too, so I want to test that out also. So if you're not familiar with the IPX ratings, the IPX 7 is when you could actually fully immerse it, but this one, you should be able to shoot it with a good amount of water and it'll be fine. So we're going to test that out. First, let's take a look at this. First off, it's a very sleek looking flashlight. You can see it's not very big. I don't have big hands and it does fit in my hand. Okay, it's not your traditional round. There's a belt clip. That's nice. So it's metal, but it's not too heavy. It's got the durability of metal, but it's not too heavy. So it's got some kind of alloy that's pretty light. So let's try that out. Okay, there's the beam. So we're going to take a look at that at night to see how powerful that is. All right. Oh, wow, that one's really bright. Okay, so we're going to test that out at night to see how well that goes. Let's see. Okay, it comes with a USB cable, USB-C to C, a hand strap. You want to use your hand strap. You could hook it onto this device. All right. So let's check out the other features. All right, so looking at the directions, you can see there's a whole bunch of different features. There's the tactical mode, there's the flashlight mode, there's strobe light mode. So we're going to test a few of these as we go. Here's where you charge it in. Plug in your USB there, charge that up, and keep that covered so it stays water resistant. And here's the modes. This is the accidental operation mode right here. So I think that kind of means off. And that's the tactical mode. And this is the lighting mode. Okay, so so you got all those different modes and a lot of ways to activate it. Okay, first let's try this tactical mode. Okay, so you leave it on and you press the button. So I see, so there's a light beam right there. If you just kind of press it lightly, there's a light beam, and then you push it more, a second click, and there's a heavy beam, I see. So there's light touch, and then you want it brighter. So if you're shining on something and you need it brighter, you just press it again, deeper, and then it gives you a bright beam. That's cool, I can see that. Okay, so let's try it in the lighting mode. Okay, see. Okay, so in the lighting mode, you do that hard press, it won't change anything. So here's the soft press, and then you're pressing hard, and there's no change. So if you look at the display, it tells you how long you could run the light at that intensity and how long it'll last. That's a nice feature right there. Okay, all right, so here's this light right here. I pressed this button for that light. That's a nice little light feature right there. So let's see if I press it hard twice like that. It'll give you a strobe. All right, so there's a lot of little features, a lot of cool little features on this. But it does take some playing around with to remember all these features it does have. All right, so let's go out at night and then we're going to test how bright this is. All right, so it's charged up and you got to make sure the USB is covered up, but it should be able to withstand running water like this. Okay. All right, good. All right, I always like to dip things in water too. This is IPX6. It's not really meant to be fully submerged for any extended periods of time, but I bet you just doing something like that should be fine. Yeah, right. It would suck if it wasn't, but yeah. All right, so I'm in my walkway at nighttime with that flashlight. So let's try the different features. First one. Okay, that's the strobe. Let's see. Okay, so here's the bright. You can see that's really bright for this little guy. It's lighting up the whole walkway and the trees. Okay, let's go with the low. Okay, low. It's not too blaring. So when you're in close quarters, you don't want to use the big one like that. Look at that. And you can feel my flashlight's getting warmer because it's using so much power to light this up. That's nice. Okay, so this is the regular flashlight mode. Let's see. Okay, so here's that lantern mode right there. All right, so this is like a wide beam. Not super bright, but it's just a wide beam. That's also pretty nice. So there's the difference. There's the concentrated beam, and then there's the wide beam. You can see the difference. So it's not really gonna light up the tree or anything, but the concentrated beam will light up the tree. And again, there's a lot of features for you to try out on this. All right, so here's another neat feature. So it starts off like that, and then you turn off, but if you leave your finger on the button, so it starts dim like that, and then you can see it gets brighter and brighter until it goes to the max. So you could kind of adjust how bright you want it by doing that. So if that's all the brightness you want, you stop there. If you want it more, leave your finger on the button, and you can see it gets more intense. Cool.